Hey all you viewers, my name later, how we doing today? We have a first for the channel. That's right, we have off-grid knives, their rapid fire Ranger here on the channel. Alright. I like the fact, oh hey, I'm gonna have to go follow them. There's their social media stuff, and we'll get to the warranty, all this other great stuff. Alright. Inside the box, how did I tear you open? Oh yeah, basically it's just a little pull out. It had the blade, and it had their propaganda for all of their blades. You know, their different series and whatnot. So, I've been seeing them a lot on Amazon, okay? And my first thought was, well, okay, are you guys like a Ganzo kind of thing? You know, what are you? Haven't really seen many people talking about them. So I figured, okay, let's go grab one that's olive drab and black. And I went, wow, the scales look really, really cool. It's got that really rapid fire opening thing, which I thought was cool. So, all right, let's bring it on. Let's see what we can do. Now, you can find them at, like it says, basically right here, www.offgridknives.com. Their website is definitely different, okay? There's a lot about this company to unpack in this video because they seem to want to be doing a lot of stuff and their blades aren't made in the USA. Now, I love how they quoted Nick Shabazz and going, you know, quality doesn't equal location. Well, okay, that's cool. But Nick Shabazz is not the blade guru. I understand he's got this mega channel. I understand companies send him a whole bunch of free crap. But if you want to base your marketing campaign around Nick Shabazz, have fun with that. Now, they are based out of Westlake Village, California. They do offer a lifetime replacement on all the blades. You've got to go to their website and register. They're really proud to say that no matter what you do to it, they're going to replace it. They even made mention that one guy dropped theirs into a campfire, and they had one instantly on the way. They support law enforcement. They support veterans as far as contributing to homes for our troops. They also, I believe, give emergency responders, first responders, veterans, law enforcement, all that fun stuff a discount. Go to their website. It's sitting right there. Whew. All right. So overall with this guy, we got a length of about 8.50 inches. The blade is 3.75 and closed it's about 4.75. It comes in at a really reasonable weight of 5.90 ounces. It's done what they call the drop point style, but there is a bit of a recurve in there. Got a plain edge, but I could not find the grind. This guy's not listed on Blade HQ, and on Off-Grid Knives, couldn't find the grind for it whatsoever. The blade steel is Cryo D2 steel. On their website, they say to enhance the benefits of D2, they use the cryo treatment. They coated it with titanium nitride coating, as they call it, teeny. The teeny is applied to the steel through a process of plasma deposition performed in a complete air-sealed vacuum. It adds to corrosion-resistant properties, increased durability, scratch, and peel resistant. The peel, I'm wondering if that's just the coating. And they say it's non-reflective. Okay, I get it. It's black. It's really not going to reflect stuff back. You do have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock in there. Now, they call this the Anslow pattern, and they're olive drab G10 scales on both sides, which I like. It does feel really comfortable in the hand. It's not really aggravating or creating a lot of hot spots since I've even been holding it or using it. Now, they say it's assisted opener, okay, but they didn't say what it is it bearings, is it whatever. You can kind of see in there, it really looks like you got a spring retention in that thing. That just really rockets it out there. And no, I have yet to rip it apart, but still. You can carry this thing two ways, right or left hand carry, only tip up. This is the part that kills me. Okay, so there's a lanyard hole, all right? But that lanyard hole comes out smack dab center in the middle of the pocket clip. So, kind of defeats the purpose to me because your lanyard is going to be combating with the pocket clip to hold this in place in your pocket. This thing really sits low in your pocket. So I had some problems pulling it out at times. That's right where it goes down to in your pocket, so it almost completely disappears. Now this guy is made in Taiwan. Now if I got this thing right, basically other companies make their blades for them. Which, okay, I get it. You want to partner that out. You want to start building your brand. You want to do what you got to do. Okay. But it's just weird to hear, like, We Knives makes this brand. This company makes this part of our brand. This company does this part of our brand. So I wanted to give you all of that because, like I said, this is the first I've gotten from them. I'm debating on a second or a third, but there's a lot of info I really wanted to give to you. That way you guys are better equipped if you want to go out and try one. Now, let's get to some cut tests on this guy, okay? And if you're curious why I do these cut tests, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. As usual, we're going to start with heavy-duty stock paper. All right. I see that right away and I go, huh. Look at all that paper. All that paper that's there on that blade. So it's cutting, but I really think it needs to be stropped. Really badly. Let's see if we can get a curly cue. Well, it started. I don't know if it's the blade or the paper, but it did start. So I'll take that as a good sign. The reason why I like seeing those guys is anyone can just take a blade and go sharp. But if you drag it across that paper slow and maintain that same edge, well, same edge angle, you should have the paper folding back in on itself like that, and you should get a curly cue. All right. Paracord. How I'm starting to loathe you. Let's go for a pull test. Oh, I had to turn it into a slice. I don't know if it's the paracord. I don't know if it's the blade. Okay? You guys know lately the paracord I've been using is giving me all kinds of hassles on that pull test. Let's go for a slice. Seems to be okay on 2 pieces, but look at those. Look at those right there. Alright. In our last video, Mr. Ratchet Trap gave his life, and he has been reborn. So here we go. Let's start to work on the new one. I kind of felt that slipping as I was going, so... yeah. A little bit better. But what gets me, though, and seriously, all that paper, granted it got cleaned up, but still, you can still see some snowfall on there. But okay, so I did the homework and everything on this guy on 4/27/21, and I'm filming the video on 4/28/21. I can only find it on Amazon and Off-Grid Knives. They both have it at 89 bucks, and it is Prime 1-day eligible on Amazon. Over on Off-Grid Knives, it's been reviewed 57 times for a 5.0 rating, which is bull. You have a 4-star review out there. One thing, 1.4 does not give you a 5 out of 5. It gives you a 4.9 out of 5, not a 5 out of 5. I call that the Gerber effect. And you guys who watch my channel for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's been reviewed 125 times on Amazon. Now here's my problem. Amazon likes to group reviews together by the same company. So I don't know if it's all this brand. I got tired of sifting through the pages, looking at, was it this blade, is it this blade, is it this blade? So 125 reviews for a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. Now we're at the best part of these things. Seriously, this is the most fun I have when I do these reviews. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below. You think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I want to know what you think. I am seriously on the fence with it. I want to like it, but I'm just like, huh? What? What? You've got what? Okay, so you're not making this, but you're sitting in an office farming everything out to another company and you're collecting checks. So, I just got more questions than answers with this. But like I said, I'm on the fence. I love the black on the OD green scales. I love the way the scales fit in my hand. I wish the lanyard hole had been a little bit off. I don't like the little mold thing right there. But still. I mean, if you want to get really picky, right there. That should have been buffed out or cleaned up before it even got sent out the gate. That's just me. Alright. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I know I'm getting a little critical on this one, but because it's a first, and this company's left me with so many questions, I wanted to get in-depth on it, so please forgive me for that. Like I said, I just want to thank you for watching this video. I know we do things really, really differently here on the channel, but I'm very, very grateful that you watched this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is, why not? Please leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see how we can put that to use in a future video. Now, I want to get this across as a disclaimer. I am not bashing Nick Shabazz. I do watch his channel. He's got his own way of doing things. I've got mine. Like I said, it's just really weird to have his name popping up as the reason why you're doing things. But still. Okay, so after you guys have done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Off-Grid Knives Rapid Fire Ranger. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.